Hey everybody, thanks so much for coming out to our Azure Data Week event. We had an awesome time giving you guys over 40 sessions of Pragmatic Works and Microsoft and Azure goodness. More than 1,350 of you came out to the event, logged in, participated in the sessions. It was just an awesome week. You learned a lot. We had sessions on Power BI, Azure Data Platform, Cosmos DB, Azure Data Warehouse, all the big data goodness and analytics with Databricks and Spark, HD Insight, AI and cognitive services. And then we had a whole bunch of sessions on the infrastructure and the automation and all the necessary stuff that it takes to make it all work. I mean, it really was just a jam-packed week. I know everybody here at the office is ready for it to be Friday, right, Liz?
Right.
How many emails do you think we got just throughout the week?
I don't even thousands. I'm sure a lot of people know my name that didn't know before, and
I think it's a testament to the cloud because our email runs in the cloud, and if it could handle all that traffic, it's actually pretty good. But big kudos to our team. I want to thank our team for doing an amazing job at keeping you guys supported and getting requests turned around really quick. But we also, we learned a lot.
We learned a ton. This was a pilot event, so we really weren't sure how it was going to go, and we were floored, to say the least, of the response. We were really happy that so many of you were interested in Azure topics and realized the benefit that this could provide. So being it was a pilot event, we did learn a lot. There were some things that we knew would probably be rough around the edges, being that we didn't know how the event was going to go. And because of that, we know where we need to invest for next year. And we will be back next year, and it'll be bigger and better. And we've really listened to all the feedback that you guys have given us, both on the sessions and in my email and all over. And we really are taking that to heart, and we want to make it an even bigger and better experience for you guys next year.
Yeah, I mean, I can't wait. I think you're a little nervous about what I'm going to plan with this for next year.
I think you should be nervous, too, of what I'm going to request.
I am not nervous. I know what your team can do now, so we're gonna just put on an amazing event. We are gonna do this again next year. I expect it to be bigger and better. I really want to thank so many of our speakers. Of course, our entire Pragmatic Works team, folks from Microsoft like Rima Namey from the Cosmos DB team, folks from the Microsoft field like Jeff Wagner and Andy Roberts, and so many folks from different teams that really helped us, really coordinate and get a few of these topics where, they really have some amazing insight to share with you guys. We're going to get a lot more of that next year. Let us know in the comments on this video and on the blog if you were there, if you weren't there, what you'd like to see more of, right? What you'd like to see us add in for next time. What would you like to see us focus on a little bit more? What problems are you trying to solve that, maybe we didn't get to? I don't know what that would have been. Holy mackerel.
Yeah.
But, expect it to be bigger and better. We're super excited with how it went. And so now that it's wrapped up, and you maybe got an hour of sleep over the weekend, right?
Yeah, so I know a lot of people are like, oh man, I missed it, or maybe you didn't hear about it. Well, the good news is we're going to have the recordings out for a year. So even if you missed the live presentations and you're still interested in all those, you can go to azuredataweek.com and you can still purchase access to all the recordings for only $29. And we're talking 40 sessions. I'm not talking 5 or even 10. 40 sessions.
Week.
The whole week.
All of them.
All of them for $29.
That's amazing.
Yep.
That's crazy. And so when are they going to get the recordings? Because I know we got a lot of those emails the last couple days.
Yeah, so by the time this comes out, expect it during this week. So what is that? The week of the 15th? Is that right?
Oh, is it already the 15th?
I know, yeah. So expect it the week of the 15th. We're working hard to get that up for you guys. I know you guys really want those. I know a lot of you, are overseas in places like Australia, and the live sessions were overnight, and you are really waiting for those recordings. I promise we're working hard to get those up. We just want to make sure everything's good and functional for you so you don't have any problems. We're also working on getting all the content and files from the presenters. We're going to give those to you as well. So they're coming. So just sit tight.
And all the presenters we sent out all the questions.
Yep.
So I know in some of the sessions, we didn't get time to do the questions because there's just too much stuff that the presenter was going through. So we're working with all of those presenters to get the questions answered.
Yep.
as many of them as they have time to get to.
Yep.
And we're going to post those on our blog.
Yep.
Right?
So you'll receive all that kind of in one email. We'll tell you where to get the recordings, the files, the questions answered, anything you want to know. We'll make sure to get that out to you.
We're going to put a bow on it.
We're going to put a bow on it.
And give it right to them.
And then my email's going to blow up and you can talk to me again about it.
Awesome. Awesome. So guys, listen, thank you so much. We really appreciate the response from from our existing community, from all the new folks that we met through this event. We really appreciate the support that we got from our partners at Microsoft. And stay tuned to our Pragmatic Works social feeds and our blog and to your email, because we'll be staying in touch with you.
Thanks, guys.
Have a great week.